In 2014, Congress allowed for the exchange of 2,422 acres of land where the copper deposit is located for 5,459 acres of land owned by Resolution Copper. Here's a little about each of the land exchange parcels Resolution Copper is handing over to the U.S. government. The Turkey Creek land parcel is 147 acres in the Sierra Ancha Mountains, sitting fully within the boundaries of the Tonto National Forest. It is also the site of a historic homestead dating back to the early 1900s and includes areas of Native American cultural heritage. The ancestors of the Otham and Hopi occupied the Sierra Ancha Mountains for thousands of years, and the Apache and Yavapai also have deep roots to this area. The creek that the area is named for flows through the property and supports elk, deer, bear, turkey, and 3 species of native fish. It also provides potential habitat for the bald eagle, the leopard frog, and a spotted owl, which are all threatened species. This special parcel contains a creek, Native American cultural heritage sites, diverse wildlife, and a historic homestead that includes a cabin site, hand-dug well, and fruit trees. To learn more, visit resolutioncopper.com/land exchange.